Jemima Puddle Duck. Jemima Puddle Duck wanted to hatch her own eggs. She was upset that the farmer's wife wouldn't allow her to. She set off to find a dry nesting place away from the farm. She saw a wood and thought it was a safe, quiet spot. She came across a tree stump where an elegantly dressed gentleman with whiskers was reading a newspaper. When Jemima told him she was looking for a dry nesting place, he gallantly offered her his woodshed. Jemima found it very comfortable and laid 9 eggs, which the foxy gentleman admired immensely. "Let us have a dinner party, all to ourselves," he said one day, and he asked Jemima to bring some herbs. Jemima went round the farm garden, nibbling off snippets of herbs that are used for stuffing roast duck. When Jemima went back to the house, Cap, the farm sheepdog, and 2 foxhounds puppies quietly followed her. Inside the house, Jemima heard some terrible barks and growls as Cap and the foxhounds chased the fox away. Jemima laid more eggs in June, and she was allowed to hatch them herself, and she never saw the foxy gentleman again. The end.